interior cabin on the Msc Seashore. This is the first time we've been in an interior on Msc and in Yacht Club. So again, this is Yacht Club, so it is a little bit bigger than the standard interior. We have a little sitting area, which is nice. Lots of space here. Welcome to our little drink slash vanity area. So first we have the mini bar, which will be stocked every day. Once we talk to our butler, which we get because we're in Yacht Club, we'll tell them what we do want more of, what we don't care for, that kind of thing. This we only get one of, but everything else will be restocked daily. And then we have ice, which we can also ask to be filled every day, water, that kind of thing, little snacks up here. We've got coffee, tea, sugar, peanuts. This is the drink menu that we can order from our butler. Again, we have a butler because we are in Yacht Club. We also get a complimentary bottle of liqueur, vodka, Belvedere. This is our choice. We have Prosecco that we have been drinking since before we even got on the ship. Also, we have an espresso machine, which I would use, but I probably will just have coffee delivered in the morning. Tea, more water. These are if we want to place breakfast and have it delivered to the room, which is nice. Lots of options here. TV, which I'm pretty sure pulls out so we can watch it in the bed. That's also where we will watch the safety briefing, remote. This is for our luggage. We want to put our luggage up on, we'll get back to that in a second. Okay, so we have hair dryer, storage space, more storage space, also laundry service, sewing kit. That's a nice little bonus. Storage, and then I think in here we have another ice bucket, a plate, and silverware just in case, you never know. And then for when I'm getting ready, we have a little stool, so it's like a little vanity, which I will be putting to use. Okay, now to the bed really quick. So this is for our suitcases, so we don't get the bed dirty. The other nice thing about Yacht Club is this is a Tempur-Pedic king-size bed. There's also a pillow menu. We can pick out what kind of pillows we want. We're not that picky, but over here we have, I can control the lights for the whole room from here. We also have the lamps, 2 different lamps. That's a reading lamp. And then some storage space. There's also storage space under the bed. We can probably put our suitcases over there. And then on the other side, it looks like, so there is a USB port over here. There's not a USB out on this side. But again, we can control the lights from the whole room over here. And we also have 2 little lights. All right, now to the sitting area. 2 chairs, coffee table. Again, this space is bigger than a standard interior. We definitely have lots of room for an interior room. All right, closet. We'll start with this side. Hanger space. Also shoe stuff, slippers, some storage up here. We have our backpacks already in there. There's also some storage under here, so we could put shoes under there. Lots of hangers. That's probably the most hangers I've ever seen on a cruise. And then over here we have lots of storage, safe, more storage, and then we have 3 drawers. We're going to be fighting over drawers, but that's okay. Still solid storage for an interior. Okay. Sorry, I had to tickle my throat. Okay, let's try this again. Robes. Yacht Club emblem. AC. Very important. We drop it all the way down. Over here, so we have the do not disturb, makeup room, makeup if we want it. Okay, bathroom. I will say, pretty standard bathroom, showers, just enough space to get the job done, but we do have the nice towels with the Yacht Club emblem, sink, makeup mirror, all of the lovely Msc body wash, lotion, shampoo, conditioner. This stuff smells so good. Toothpaste, holders, toilet, trash is under there. Pretty standard. Bathrooms, nothing super fancy, but it'll get the job done. That's all that matters. All right, this is home for the next 7 nights, 8 days. Paradise.